The benefits of working with us in the GRADE study are many. You're going to be working with Dr. Marianne Banerjee, who is the head of the diabetes department at both Kings County Hospital and Downstate. Plus, you're going to get an excellent team that works with Dr. Banerjee. We're available to answer all your questions and to really help you come to a point where you can control your diabetes. The other great thing that we're doing here at GRADE is we're supplying no-cost diabetes care for our community. So what do I mean by that? We're going to be doing lab tests, we're going to be doing follow-ups, examinations, and medication will be supplied. And all of these things are supplied at no cost.